Hello, welcome to Math Lab. Today we are going to see different methods in order to subtracting. So let's take some examples to see how we can do a subtracting. First example, 84 minus 59. The borrowing method is like that. We can do 4 minus 9, yes? Then, in this case, we have to borrow at 8, 1 unit. Now we will have 14 minus 9, which is 5. At 8, if we took 1, it remains 7. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Another example. 323 minus 15. It is more easy to avoid borrowing when you are subtracting if you minus by pairs of digits rather than individually. So, in this case, in order not to borrow at the first operation, because we cannot do 3 minus 5. Yes, we need to borrow, but in order not to borrow, we can do pairs of numbers. And we can do mentally, very easy, 23 minus 15, which is 8. Because we took two pairs of numbers, the result has to be two pairs of numbers. So in here we will put 0. Furthermore, it's easy. We have 3 minus 0, which is 3. Let's take another example. 2300 minus 163. Here we have a subtracting across 0. In here we will use the borrowing method. So 0 minus 3, we can do that. We borrow in here. In here we have nothing. We will go furthermore and we will borrow in here. Now we'll have 10 minus 3, which is 7. Here, if we took 1 from 10, remains 9 in here. Now we have 9 minus 6 equals 3. Here at 3, if you took 1, it remains 2. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. In here at 2, we didn't borrow anything, and 2 minus 0 equals 2. The results. Okay, now let's take another examples. Eighty-four, 65 minus 53, 82. In here, the first decrease, it's easy. 5 minus 2 equals 3. The second one, in order not to borrow, because we cannot do 6 minus 8, but not to borrow, we can take two pairs of digits, meaning 46 and 38. Now we can do more easy 46 minus 38 mentally, which is 8. But because we took two pairs of numbers, the results has to be two pairs of numbers. And in front of it, we will put 0. And now 8 minus 5, it's easy, we have 3. The result is more easy to obtain. Furthermore, another example. 2011 minus 201. The first one is easy. We have 0. 1 minus 0, 1. In here, in order not to borrow, we will use the same method of pairs. And we will take this time 20 minus 2, which is 18. Now, let's see another method and another example. Let's take 736 minus 526 equals what? This one is a number formed by units digits, 10 digits and 100 digits. So we will have this number is made of 500 plus 20 plus 6. Yes? And this one also. We have units, tens and hundreds. We have 1700 plus 30 plus 6. Now what are we going to do? We will decrease hundreds by hundreds, tens by tens, and units by units. And we will have 700 minus 500 equals 200. We'll take 2. 30 minus 20 equals 1. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So, this is a more easier method in order to do a subtracting mentally and very quick one. Let's take another example now. 83 minus 35 equals what? The same here, we have units, digits and 10 digits. What we will going to do? First of all, we will do 83 minus 5 in the first step, which is 78. Yes, this is easier to do mentally. Now, furthermore, we take 78 minus 30, the 10th digits, yes, equals with 48. Now we have our results, 48. So, what have I done in here? I took the first number, 83. And I decreased the units digits first of all. After that, from the results from 78, I decrease the tens digits, 30, and the results 48. This is an easy mental method in which you can do a subtracting. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments which type of exercise you need to solve the next time. Thank you very much.